So today I'm going to be installing this wig sent to me from Ayiyi Hair, and this is my complete birthday unit. They sent me this wig in Balayage Gold, their highlighted wig. So yeah, this wig is in 24 inches, and I believe that the density is 180. I'll have to recheck the packaging to make sure everything's correct. So yeah, this is the 13x4 or 13x6, 24 inches, 180 density. And yeah, this 24 inches definitely longer than a usual 24 inch. So yeah, it's like right above my belly button. So it's definitely longer than the average 24 inch. This wig was pretty easy to install. I really like how it was super thick, like the hair super thick, so I had to just keep brushing through it. So it did tangle a little. But other than that, I really do love the hair. The color is super pretty. So yeah, it wasn't that hard to install. But yeah, let's get into the install.